Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, and today we delve into the fascinating world of military aviation. In particular, we'll be discussing the future of military helicopters, going beyond the renowned Sikorsky Black Hawk. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's take flight into this captivating topic. Before we jump into the future, let's take a brief look at the evolution of military helicopters. These flying machines have played a crucial role in various military operations throughout history. From the iconic Huey during the Vietnam War to the agile Apache in modern conflicts, helicopters have continuously evolved to meet the changing demands of warfare. The Sikorsky Black Hawk is undoubtedly one of the most widely recognized and utilized military helicopters today. Its exceptional versatility and reliability have made it a staple in many armed forces across the globe. However, the question arises, what lies beyond the Black Hawk? One aspect that will shape the future of military helicopters is increased speed and agility. Engineers and designers are exploring ways to enhance rotorcraft performance, enabling them to operate at higher speeds while maintaining maneuverability. These advancements could revolutionize missions such as troop transport, search and rescue, and even combat operations. Stealth technology, a term commonly associated with fighter jets, is also making its way into the realm of military helicopters. By incorporating stealth features such as radar-absorbent materials and reduced acoustic signatures, future rotorcraft may gain a significant edge in avoiding detection and increasing survivability in hostile environments. The future of military helicopters isn't solely limited to manned aircraft. Unmanned aerial systems, or drones, are rapidly evolving and have already become integral in military operations. These remotely piloted aircraft offer unique advantages, including reduced risk to human life and the ability to operate in high-risk areas. Building on the concept of unmanned aircraft, the integration of autonomous capabilities is a promising direction for military helicopters. Imagine a future where helicopters can autonomously perform complex missions, adapt to changing circumstances, and collaborate seamlessly with other aircraft. Such developments have the potential to transform the battlefield. As the world embraces greener alternatives, the military helicopter industry is also exploring electric and hybrid technologies. These advancements could lead to quieter, more fuel-efficient rotorcraft, reducing environmental impact and extending operational range. Additionally, electric propulsion systems might offer unique advantages in terms of power management and stealth capabilities. In an era of rapidly advancing technology, the future of military helicopters is intricately linked to advanced sensors and systems. From state-of-the-art navigation and targeting systems to augmented reality displays, these innovations will provide enhanced situational awareness and mission effectiveness for helicopter crews. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at the doorstep of next-generation rotorcraft. These cutting-edge aircraft will incorporate a combination of the aforementioned advancements, pushing the boundaries of what helicopters can achieve. Although prototypes and concept designs are already emerging, it will be some time before these technologies mature and become operational. As we conclude our journey into the future of military helicopters, it's evident that exciting times lie ahead. The aerospace industry, in collaboration with defense forces around the world, is tirelessly working to redefine the capabilities of rotorcraft. From increased speed and stealth technology to autonomous systems and advanced sensors, the possibilities are truly limitless. If you found this video informative and engaging, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content. And as always, we appreciate your support in spreading the word about our channel. Thank you for joining us today on this captivating exploration of the future of military helicopters. If you have any thoughts or questions on this topic, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, fly safe and keep your eyes on the horizon. Signing off.